this video, we're going to be testing various vehicles to see how they perform. They can jump over a lake right after this video. Hello everyone, this is Blue Gamer. Today we're going to be playing some more Teardown. Let's hop right in. So, I did a custom paint job on my charger or something. I don't know, it looks kind of funny, I guess. I don't know. And gosh, we're gonna be putting some thrusters on vehicles in this video. Oh no. Oh no. Can I? Oh, okay. That works, I guess. Yep, that looks great. And we're gonna start with this vehicle. We're just gonna jump. Oh. Okay. So the ramp melted. I don't know how I feel about that. But we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We got the ramp back. Hopefully it doesn't dissolve. And I retrieved the muscle car from the depths. Oh. That was interesting. It still runs, it still runs, it still runs. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh, I think I got it stuck. Okay, let's go back. We're just gonna fly over the water. The next vehicle we're gonna do? You thought it was a truck. We're gonna do this armored military van. ATV deployer thing. Wow. But we gotta soup this thing up a little, you know? So we gotta like just add a bunch of thrusters. Just make it all wild. That looks good. Great start, great start. Oh, this thing went flying! That was insane! And it still runs! Here, let's put this fire out. Oh, dude! Okay. No, we're gonna do this car. And oh no, no, no. What the? Wait, what? Oh, okay, that's weird. I wanna try the Mega Booster. No, 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 no. What did I do? What did I do? What is this thing? What is this thing? What is this thing? C. What the? What was that? What in the world? Okay, that was weird. Let's try the Mega Booster again. Nope. I'm dying. I'm in the corner. And we are about to die. We died. Don't know where that other car went, but hey, now we can do the truck. Because the other car just vanished. Okay. Looks good. Oh, I found the other car. Okay. Now we're gonna test the vehicle. This vehicle. The fastest boat I have ever driven in this game. Turn. Stop. Turn. Go. 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 What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't even know. I don't even know. I'm gonna crash. So confused. Okay, that wasn't really real. Cool. No idea. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and we have the most aerodynamic car! No! 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 You gotta be kidding me! We didn't even get a run! No! Come on, bro. Okay. I don't think we can do that one. I guess we're gonna do this one. I think the truck did make it. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, no, no, no. What are we doing? Okay. We'll be back once I soup this up. Since this vehicle is actually rather large, I was able to put the Mega Booster. So, yeah. Let's get it out. Oh. The booster's heavy. I for ignition. Oh, it's fast, it's fast, it's fast. Oh no, what are we doing? Okay, I'm getting out. I don't know what's happening. I guess it's just gonna go. I'm not really sure. It's taking out trees. It's flying. Where'd it go? He's out there. Come back. Get back here. Get back. Okay. We're gonna move on to the next vehicle and we'll be back. Okay, we got this truck souped up a little. And it's fast, it's fast, it's fast. I can't control it. It's bonkers. Actually, it's gone. That's what. Yeah, I can't do a thing. Okay. one last time. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and we have our crane. I hope this one lasts longer than a few seconds. This is the last one. So, yeah. Oh, it didn't. Well, it did, in a way. Oh, wait, it still runs. Whoa! But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll see all of you in the next one. Peace!